To create a typewriter text reveal effect, click on New Composition. Now name the composition as Typewriter Text Reveal. Yay, like this. Now make sure the preset is set to HDTV 1080x25 and frame rate to 25 fps and resolution to half. And make sure the duration is set to 6 seconds, or you can change the duration. And change the color to whatever you like. I am choosing the black color. Now hit OK. Now we have this black composition background. Now click on the Text Type tool and type your desired text. I'm writing the typewriter. I've chosen the Vintage Viner Hand ITC. Now choose the color whatever you like. I'm choosing the little dark orange color. Now align it in the center of the composition like this. Now to create an effect, click on the text layer arrow drop-down. Then click on the text arrow drop-down. Now holding Alt, click on the stopwatch of the source text. Now we have this expression on the notepad. Right-click on the expression and copy it. Now in front of the text source, hit Ctrl-V to paste expression and hit Enter. Now it's applied to the text. Let's see preview. It's amazing. Now let's take it one step further. Let's add the grunge overlay effect to this text background. Now to apply it, go to the Project panel and double-click on the Project panel and choose your desired overlay. I'm choosing this grunge overlay and click Import. Now drag and drop this overlay above the text layer. And it's applied. If it's not fit to composition, right-click, then Transform, and click on Fit to Composition. Now click on the layer. Right-click, go to Blending Mode and choose the Overlay Blending Mode. Woo! It's applied. Now let's see the preview. It's super amazing. Now let's add the chromatic effect to the overlay. Click on the overlay layer and go to Effects and Presets and search for VR Digital Glitch. You can see this effect. Double-click to apply. It's applied to the overlay layer. Now to make any changes, go to Effect Controls and change the POI aspect to around maybe 40. And you can adjust the noise strength like 50 and noise scale to 40, and check the box of color noise and change the random seed value to around 40. Now let's see the preview. It's amazing. So it's super cool. Now let's add one more text effect to make it look cool. Now search for the chasing strokes effect. You can see the effect. Double-click to apply on the text layer, and let's see the final preview. Whoa, it's dope. It's super amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Your support means everything. Subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.